Welcome back to Autoscope, Newmar Dutch Star, 2026. The structure and the outside. The Freightliner or Spartan chassis contains a strong Cummins ISL diesel engine, air suspension comfort-driven steering system, and air brakes. A distinctive Newmar feature, the Newmar STAR basis body construction reduces body roll and increases stability when driving by offering a sturdy, stable basis. Dual-glass windows. Dual-glazed windows are common for improved acoustic and thermal insulation. Basement storage. There is a large storage area beneath the floor, and the tailgate is easily accessible. Extra features. The package is probably going to include side and back cameras, outside LED lighting, and an external entertainment system TV and speaker. The layout and interior. High-end finishes and furnishings. Anticipate handcrafted solid wood cabinetry, wooden dining tables, and premium leather or fabric couches. A luxury kitchen includes a huge sink, an induction cooktop, a microwave, a convection oven, and a full-size household refrigerator. The master bedroom is a cozy space with a king-size bed, a large wardrobe, and perhaps an integrated television. Lighting. For energy efficiency and a comfortable atmosphere, LED lighting is used throughout the building. Other options. In certain layouts, you might find extras like an electric fireplace, a washing and dryer, or even bunk beds. Comfort and technology. Total control system. An easy-to-use digital control system that controls every aspect of an RV, including climate control, slide-outs, and lights. Dual-zone climate system. To guarantee comfort throughout the RV, there are multiple air conditioners with zone control. Multiple HD LED TVs, a top-notch sound system, plus potential internet and satellite access make up the entertainment system. Whether using a generator or shore power, a power management system maximizes the usage of electrical power. Diesel generator. A strong diesel generator providing independent power, typically with 8,000 or 10,000 watts.